Thinking about a robot vacuum? The big question, can an affordable one actually be smart? Let's find out. Welcome to Clark's Cleaning Channel. For years, budget models just bounced around, missing spots and lacking real intelligence. But now, high-end features are becoming standard, even at lower prices. Enter the Ecovacs X2 Omni, a robot vacuum that challenges the old rules. Its unique design isn't just stylish, it gets deeper into corners and hugs baseboards, places other robots miss. The low profile lets it clean under more furniture, reaching those hidden dust bunnies. What sets it apart? Powerful suction, smart navigation, and an all-in-one station that vacuums, mops, self-empties and dries its own pads. Just a couple years ago, these features were reserved for cheaper models. Now, the X2 Omni brings true automation and convenience for a much more accessible price. It's about getting a premium, hands-off experience without the premium price. Smart cleaning is finally for everyone. Mapping is what makes a robot vacuum truly smart. The X2 Omni uses LiDAR and sensors to create a detailed map of your home, visible right in the app. Label rooms, set no-go zones, and customize exactly where and when it cleans. No more random bumping. This robot knows where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go. Efficient, straight-line cleaning means no wasted battery and no missed spots. Want the kitchen mopped every night, or just a quick vacuum before guests arrive? You can schedule it all. The app makes it easy to set up complex routines, so cleaning happens automatically in the background. You're not just reacting to messes, you're staying ahead of them. This level of control turns the X2 Omni into a true smart home assistant. It's powerful mapping and intuitive scheduling all in one. Cleaning just got a whole lot smarter. The real magic is the Omni Station, more than just a charging dock. When cleaning's done, the X2 Omni empties its dustbin into a sealed bag, so you only replace it every couple of months. It also washes and dries its spinning mop pads with clean water and hot air, keeping everything fresh and hygienic. The robot can even return mid-clean to refresh its mops, so you're never dragging dirty pads around. Separate tanks for clean and dirty water show you exactly how much grime it's picked up. Your only job? Occasionally, refill water and swap the dust bag. Everything else, vacuuming, mopping, emptying, washing, drying, is fully automated. This used to be exclusive to the most expensive models. Now it's available at a price that makes sense. How does the X2 Omni compare to pricier flagships? Surprisingly well. It delivers strong cleaning, smart mapping, and a mopping system that keeps floors fresh, all for a fraction of the price. You get 90% of the top-tier features, including the full-service Omni Station, without the luxury markup. Setup is simple, the app is user-friendly, and once it's running, you can forget about it for weeks. It's perfect for first-time robot owners or anyone who wants clean floors with zero hassle. The X2 Omni proves you don't need to spend a fortune for true automation. It gives you back your time, letting you focus on what matters. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Smart, powerful, and convenient. Finally, a robot vacuum that lives up to the promise. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.